How do you get started in LEGO Fortnite? Well, it's a little bit confusing if you've never played a game like this before. Essentially, you'll find the Cuddle Team leader located somewhere around here, or at least nearby wherever you spawn in your world. Once you speak to them, they'll give you some tips about collecting wood and granite. Granite are these little rocks that you find scattered around the world, which you can hold your interact key to pick up. You'll collect them, and they'll head into your inventory, which you can see in the bottom left. The same goes for wood. We can hit Tab, in my case, the top icon at the bottom, to open up our inventory where we'll have everything here, as well as our quick bar and offhand and equipment in the bottom right. If we hit Q instead to build, you'll see the first thing you need to build, in this case, a campfire. So we'll collect some more wood and craft up something. After we've collected enough wood, we can craft and make ourselves a campfire. When we choose it, we can place it down anywhere, and there's many controls to move it around, rotate it, etc. Rotate using the scroll wheel. You can also use your arrow keys to nudge it forwards, backwards, and sideways. Eventually, we can build it just like that. We've now created our first build item. If we press Q, we'll have unlocked new recipes, such as the crafting bench, and at the very top under builds, the simple shack. For this, we'll just need to collect some more wood and granite. That's really it. As you can see, the Cuddle Team leader will return to you at some stages, allowing you to speak to them, and you'll get some more info, such as what else should we prepare? Well, we need to find food, for which we found berries. And all we need to do is open our inventory and make sure we have some raspberries or pumpkins in our hotbar at the bottom. You'll see this in the bottom right. When we close the menu, we can press the corresponding key or button in order to interact with that item. I'll select this and hold left click to consume. Just like that, we're now eating. Speaking to the leader again, they'll ask us to look for a smoke signal to get back to camp, which we got with our fire. The next thing is building a shelter. Speaking about more wood, we can hit small trees with left click in order to break them. We can also do this with bushes as well. This will give us fiber too. So a bush like this, punching it, similar to how we would in Fortnite, we can destroy it and pick up some resources. That's really it. The game isn't that difficult at all, and at this point you probably understand more than enough for what you need to do in order to get going. Collecting more resources will craft a shelter. So crafting will create a shelter and place it down somewhere nearby, wherever we'd like to make our base as such, and start the build. For this, it'll ask you for multiple different parts. We can simply click to interact with them and get them. Then you'll need to place them. So for example, if we look away, you'll see floorboards need to go at the bottom. If we click, we'll place that. Then we'll hit E to start the build once again, and we'll build the next item. Unfortunately, I don't have enough wood, so we'll need to collect some more first. Eventually, with enough resources, we can head back and finish off our shelter. So building the back wall as well as the front pillars by placing them and rotating with our mouse wheel or other button where necessary, we've now built the first stage of our shelter. Open our build menu once more with Q in order to build the next story. So the roof as well as Q, the front pillar, and there we go. 2 out of 3, hitting Q once more, the ridge for the very top place, and now we're done. We've now successfully built our shack, and speaking to the leader once more, we'll need to get a crafting bench so we can make tools to collect resources faster. So, opening our build menu, we have a village square, the same shelter, as well as different building parts that we can use to help secure our base with different submenus here. Furniture, such as a bed, to set our spawn point and recover health, and storage, such as chests, to store more items. But what we're looking for is on the utility section, the crafting bench here. We'll need some more wood and granite in order to make this. Eventually, the cold will start getting to you at nighttime, especially if it's raining, so getting back to a fire is something you need to do. You can also craft a torch to take with you, but we'll need to build our crafting bench first. So we can place it down anywhere and interact with it, although we can't use it in the rain. So what we can do is instead place a roof over it. We've now also unlocked a lumber mill and a grill. It's a good idea as well to place this on a foundation so we can give it a roof too. So I'll place some pillars, eventually a roof as such. Now that we're out of the rain, we should be able to place down our crafting bench and use it while it's raining. There we go. We can make an axe and a pickaxe. Once you've crafted these, collecting resources should be a lot easier, and of course your progression further into the game. So anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. You've now got your start for LEGO Fortnite. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!